For majority of the students, writing a dissertation or thesis is a very challenging task, yet it is the most important as it plays a crucial role in their academic life. This guide will help you find the best sources for writing dissertation. Writing a good dissertation is critical as it contributes significantly to the final grades of the students. It also polishes a student's research abilities. It helps students get better at academic writing. Helps in demonstrating the capabilities and areas of interest of the students. There are primarily two types of dissertation: empirical dissertation. An empirical dissertation mainly focuses on collecting and analyzing every aspect of data. Research methods include experiments, observations, surveys, and interviews. A non-empirical dissertation, it aims to analyze theoretical content and interpret sources in your own words. Research methods include novels, artworks, and historical documents. Some common dissertation sources are journals, other authors' dissertations, books and e-books, public records, manuscripts, interview transcripts. While gathering sources for your dissertation, you should be aware of the basic type of sources. These include primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Primary sources provide a first-hand account of an event and are considered to be authoritative. Secondary sources are the analysis, interpretation, and reviews of primary sources. Tertiary sources provide overviews of topics gathered from other sources by synthesizing information. Here are some characteristics of credible sources. The data should be up to date. Sources should be relevant to your research topic. Publications and authors should be credible and a trusted authority. For web sources, their URL and layout show their credibility. Some questions that help you evaluate the credibility of sources include: who is the author? Credentials or background of the author. What information is presented? Context, evidence. Why was the information created? Purpose. When? Publication date. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.